What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone for You. In today's video I've got two flagship phones, both running Snapdragon 888, and one is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the other is the Xiaomi Mi 11. Both devices are running the latest Snapdragon 888, and the Samsung has got 16 gig of RAM, and compared to the Xiaomi Mi 11 it's got the 12 gig. It's the one coming with 12 gig RAM. So I'm just gonna perform a speed test on both, comparing both from a Reboot, Fingerprint Unlock, and then we'll open a few apps and see which one loads the app quicker, and then finally we'll do a memory management test to see which one has the most apps running in the background. Both phone screen resolution has been set to the highest, Quad HD on both phone, and the both running on the 120 Hz refresh rates. So the first test I'm gonna reboot on both phones at the same time and see which one comes on first. Okay, so let's kick off the test with the system reboot and see which one comes on first. It looks like the Samsung went ahead, so probably taking advantage of that 16 gig. Okay, so yeah, so now we're just gonna do the fingerprint scanner. Let's see how it goes. Okay, and feel free to let me know which one you think was quicker unlocking the screen using the fingerprints. So now I'm just gonna make sure all the apps, there is no apps open in the background, and we're just gonna start opening the apps from the top to the bottom, and then we'll go from the bottom going back, doing a system management test. Okay, now we're gonna do a system memory management test. So we're just gonna open all the apps going backward and see which ones are still open and running. Okay, there you have it. So both phones perform very well on the system and the memory management test. So feel free to let me know what you think was the fastest during this test, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for more video if you're new to my channel. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.